Hi friends, let me show you this new LED lamp. This is intended to be installed on the top of a pole. And you can change the light temperature color. As you can see, it's a large lamp. It's intended for a patio, for a park, for a school, for that kind of installations, okay? When we install it, we are going to be able to change the color temperature in this dial. This lamp goes in a pole. You can imagine it will go something like this, okay? And this is the pole connector, okay? So it will be here and the pole goes here. You tighten it with these accessories and you wire it to the electrical wire frame, okay? So, well, this is a nice light for open spaces, large spaces. We're gonna try it. Look. Friends, now we have installed the post lamp. As you can see, it gives a great light to all my patio. These lamps are aimed for parking lots, for parks, or for a large private patio, of course. You see the light is coming down from the LED panel, and you have to wire it. You could have an on-off switch, or like this, to plug it in the wall. And you see how pretty it is, and overall the great light it gives. Installation was super easy, so I really recommend you this lamp if you're thinking about lighting a large area. You could use this kind of lamps. They are great. Friends, let me show you. Here you can change the light temperature or intensity, okay? We are going to put it in a lower strength. And so now you see, this is a more yellow color. It's a more soft color. Let me change it. You see, this is a white color. White, cold color, and yellow soft color. So you have those two settings, okay? And let me show you, here is the photocell, okay? Here the lamp will go on when it's night, and will go off on day. Let's try it. And I don't know if I can turn off with my flash the photocell. Let's try it. Let me show you the dusk to dawn function. As you can see, I am putting a strong light in the photocell and the lamp is off, okay? Let me get the lamp out, and the lamp goes on because it detects that it's night. If I put the lamp again, it detects day and turns off. So the photocell is great. You just pay during the night. Thank you.